Hi, welcome to an Inventor 2023 video tutorial, another one of my basic part design exercises, the ironing plate. It's a sweep, 2 ribs and a spiral pattern. So, let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, let's start with a sketch on the XY plane. And that profile should look something like this. Okay, now let's add a circle, maybe like that here. Okay, let's trim. Make sure that point is aligned with that line here. It is, it still is. So let's add a dimension. So this distance should be maybe 40. Now that distance should be 22, but leave it like that. First give this here dimension, and this would be 11. Now this should be 11. That distance should be 22. And that small one here should be 2.5. Okay, and that radius here should be 51 or 50. This looks good. Now let's align that point with this one, and the sketch should be fully defined. Yes, finish that sketch. Now the next sketch should be on the XZ plane, the top plane. So start with another sketch right on this one here. Let's turn it like this. And this should look something like that. Can I snap? Yes. Then maybe snap here again, not really. Maybe it's here. Go over there and close it. Now let's add dimensions, or maybe first a fillet. That fillet could be maybe 20. Right there. Okay. Then a dimension from this line to that center point should be somewhere over here, yes, and this should be 280. Maybe align this point with that one, and this dimension should be 180. And this one here should be 180 as well. Now let's make this radius 50. And then align the midpoint with the origin like that. So I thought I've aligned those two. Maybe that point is not in the middle, so let's align this one and that one. Now it's fully defined. Close that sketch. Now I can do a sweep. The profile would be this one here, and the path would be that one here. And confirm. Nice. Now I need a plane with a distance to the XZ plane. distance might be 40, and then I want to make a sketch on that plane right there. You could start with a line right here or somewhere over there, doesn't really matter. I will make it 90 in length. That's fully defined. Do I need a point? Yes, I will need a point there as well. So I could put a point right there. And I will need another point with another distance of 67.5. So let's put another one here. Give it a dimension. So I do it all in one sketch. That's easier to do. This one and that one should be aligned as well. Finish that sketch. Now I could add 2 3D working points right on these, just in case I need them. Now let's add the ribs. So go for a rib, and it should be parallel to sketch plane, and thickness should be 11. This should be active. Yes, it is. That's the sketch. Maybe we have to change the side. Yes, like this, and confirm. Then with the same sketch I will do another ribs and make it visible. Go for another rib. Again 11. Now maybe switch. No, switch here because it's not there. And that's it. And confirm. Now I will need a helix. So let's go to a 3D sketch. Start 3D sketch. I need a helical curve. Switch to this one and select this point as axis start point. Go up and draw it up to this point. And I want to have 4 revolutions. And maybe the other way around. Yeah, this looks good, but the diameter here should be 20. That's more like it. And confirm. Now, next I could project that helix into a 2D sketch, or I could use just that 3D helix. And that's what I will want to do. Finish that sketch. And there should be still that work point, yes. So I can make a hole there. That's interesting. I want to use that work point, this one here. It should go through all, yes. Diameter should be 6 millimeter, yes. And I need a direction, and the direction would be normal to that work plane, for example. Okay. And confirm. Looks okay. And now I can go for a pattern along a curve, so go for a rectangular pattern. I want to pattern a feature. That feature would be the hole. And direction 1 would be this helix. And I want it to be along the complete curve length. And I want to have 80 instances. Let's take a look. Looks okay. Check here. They should be identical. Yes. And confirm. So Let's check once more. Identical. Let's go for adjust and confirm right now, and then it's done. So maybe I should go for a smaller value here with that sketch. Maybe reduce it to, let's go here, where is it? That's the 3D sketch, that's the working point, that's the sketch. Maybe go to 65. Finish that sketch. And that helix here, so go there, and this might be not 135 but 130, and that should do the trick. Yeah, that's better. So I hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You could follow me also on GrabCAD, Facebook, Instagram, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.